So this is the topic number 4. So we're going to open a folder again. So hanapin nyo lang yung directory nyo and open nyo lang. Select. As you can see, so this is the sign in and sign up method or ano ang title na? So this is the sign in and sign up page. Okay. Here. So as you can see, we have a lot of code. So medyo marami siyang scaffold and wait lang natin siyang mag-load. Okay. Papakita ko na yung output para madali siyang ma-feature out. Okay. So dito sa ating sign up and sign in page, so una nating makikita is yung kanyang widgets. Okay. Then, okay. Ito yung kanyang pinaka-construct, which is yung sign-in page. And then, dito naman sa sa section na to is makikita natin yung kanyang okay, dito muna tayo sa first section. So, sa widget building natin is meron kayo makikita ito, nakikita nyo siya. Next naman is dito sa sign up page class. So, we have a different class here since marami siyang anime here. So, dito makikita natin yung kanyang widget building. So, meron siyang bar, background color, and center title. Okay? So, dito naman sa kanyang body, sa kanyang container is meron tayong decoration, guardian, which is ito, yung parang dalawang color siya. And here. So, this is the color combination, but you can customize this. I don't know. Yeah. Pakitaan natin siya ng customization. So, maganda kasi yung color combination dyan is. Pero kasi medyo mahirap pumili ng color palette dito. Ayan. So, parang same, ano lang sila. You can refresh this, but I must save this first. And ayan. Hindi na siya ganun kahalata na may guardian effect since we are almost the same. Since medyo mahirap na sunod, I'm going to make this darker. Then dito naman is you can customize this by doing it's so simple, elegant. Yes. So yan. So sa section na to, you can customize the color colors. Parang sakop niya. I don't know. Yung sakop. Parang ganun. Okay, then next is the column. So yan, naka-column siya. So Pag naka-row yan is ano siya, horizontal. Yan, naka-vertical siya ngayon. And this is the text here. Welcome back. So this is the text. Welcome back. So dito naman tayo sa kanyang side inform. So we have button or text button here. So ito yun. So under ng text button, so we don't have a function command. Okay. So here, don't have account. So here is yeah. So yeah. So ano siya, child list siya. So you can change the color to yeah, the context color. And yun yung pinaka-scaffold niya. Next naman is, after yan is, dito naman tayo sa sign up page. So, medyo maputi itong ano natin dito. So, we don't have a guardian color here. So, yan. Okay, then you can save this. Then, tada! Welcome back again. Okay, walang nangyari. Dito tayo sa fill color. Then you can change this to the color what you prefer. So, ginawa ko kasi ito kanina na ganun pa rin siya. Sige, palitan mo na kung anong gusto mong palitan dyan. Dinidemo ko lang kung paano mo siya okay? Dito naman muna tayo sa section na to. Medyo masakit lang siya sa mata kasi puti. So, yan. So, nakita natin dito yung kanyang border, yung label text. Here's the label and buttons. Ito naman sa text, fill color. So, ito mga fill colors na to, this is what you call fill colors. And dito naman sa text style, dito yung white color. Okay, then dito naman tayo sa section na ito. Size box, so you can adjust this, the height and the height lang. So this is 20 and dito naman sa kanya scaffold messenger is meron tayong kanyang yan, ganyan design para bongga na siya. Okay. Next naman is dito. So, sa section naman na ito, we have the, let's see, here. We have the text form field controller, the label text. So, ayan. Then, validator. So, pag nag-input ka ng invalid data here, so, mag-invalidate siya. Then, please enter your email. So, we can try this. So, yeah, then sign up. So, ayan, sabi niya dito, ayan, ganyan siya. Please, diba ano siya, nag-i-invalidate siya. So, pag hindi ka rin naglagay ng email, magaganon din siya. Please enter your email. Ayan, please enter your email. So, same section here. Yeah, please do not, my password do not match. So, as you can see here, this was the text there. So, after the command of that, so we have the Design here again, scaffold and widget building. So this was the um, exit or closing part of the scaffold. And that's how you create a sign up page. And thank you very much.